Hello and welcome to Irmu Production, a one solution to all your digital learning and entertainment. Today I want to show you how to use an agriculture grade 5 video-based lesson which is integrated with an auto-feedback quiz. Just go to your browser, whether you're using a phone or tablet or iPad, whichever you're using, search for YouTube, click on YouTube. And once you're in YouTube, just use the hashtag Irmu Production. So just type hash IRMU Production as one word. IRMU Production. Then you enter. You'll be able to see my videos and you'll be able to see my channel on top. Click on my channel. And before you click, maybe if you have not subscribed, you click on subscribe. And you also hit on that bell, which will help you to know when I'm posting new videos. After you have subscribed, you click on my channel, then you go to the playlist. On the playlist, you'll be able to see now ICT integrated lessons. And today I want to show you one of the agriculture grade 5 lessons, the first lesson that I had put, how to go about it. So you click on that lesson. Once you click on that lesson, you watch the video which is explaining about meaning of soil erosion. So you just first watch that video which is explaining about meaning of soil erosion. Once you are done with watching the video, we now go to the description. Below the video, there is a description about that video. You'll be able to see a link. This is the link that will now open the quiz, the Google Form quiz, that will evaluate what you have learned from that video. So once you are done with watching the video, just go to the description and click on that link. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the auto feedback quiz, which is a Google Form quiz. The quiz is about soil conservation and it has some questions. Before you answer the questions, you need to put a valid email, just a valid email. So you put an email. As you can see, I've put irmuproduction@gmail.com. So you don't write your name, you just write an email, and once you put the email, you start answering the simple questions. You answer the questions according to the way you have watched from the video. That is the first question I've answered. Look at the diagram, answer the second one. Just go answering the questions the way you understand them. You first read the question carefully and just answer. Look at the diagram. If you think it's a gully, if you think it's a mountain, just answer what you think it is. Go to the fifth question. What do you think the answer is? Just put the answer. Whether it's true or false, you answer that question. You go answering the questions the way you have understood them. There are questions based on what you have learned from the video. So you look at that picture, you say whether it's caused by an earthquake or soil erosion. You go answering the questions. There are just 10 questions. And once you have answered the last question and you have put an email, you click on submit. You click on the button submit, and at that particular moment you'll be able now to view your scores. It will give you their scores, what you have scored, within a flash of a second. So according to this test, I've got 16 out of 20 because each question was 2 marks. Then you go down checking which ones you have failed. The first and the second, you got them right. Third, you got it right. Then you go to the fourth question, which you got it wrong. Once you go down below the question, you had said that is a mountain. Then you are told the correct answer is a gully. And then below the correct answer, you also get a feedback on that question. So there's a feedback telling you that is a gully, not a mountain. Then you scroll down checking the questions you have failed. You reach another question where you were asked to describe what you think caused that feature. You had said it's an earthquake, but then you wronged it. Then you are told that it's caused by soil erosion, and there's a feedback there to tell you what caused that feature. So that is how simple my video and quiz should be done. So enjoy the lessons and see you in the next lesson.